What's up, everyone? Welcome to the video. Today we're going to take a look at how to program the built-in garage door opener in a Jeep Wrangler or Jeep Gladiator. So you'll need to be in the vehicle with the vehicle running, then taking a look at the built-in garage door opener up on the driver's side visor. This number 1 button right here is already programmed to my garage door. As you can see, it's opening it there. So the first thing we're going to take a look at is how we can erase all the stored codes in here. In order to do that, I'm going to press the 1 and the 3 button down and hold them down. Continue to hold them down until that orange light in the middle starts flashing. Once that light starts flashing, then all these buttons should have been erased. Let's go ahead and make sure that worked. Okay, so that button no longer works. Now let's take a look at how to program it back in. And the procedure we're going to be using uses an already programmed removable garage door opener like this. So you'll need your removable garage door opener near the built-in one. Then we're going to press down the button that's already programmed, which is the 1 button on here as well. Press down the button on your removable opener that's programmed, and then press and hold down the button on the built-in opener that we want to program. So we're going to do the 1 button again. So press and hold both those buttons down and continue to hold them down till that light in the middle starts flashing quickly like that. Then release. Then on the built-in opener, press the button once, twice, and then on the 3rd time, it should open it or close it depending on what orientation you have. So as you can see there, this button's now been programmed in. If you have any other questions, please let me know. If you could take a second to like and subscribe, it helps us out, and I'd appreciate it. Thank you.